Highway broken down. Thought I'd pull over and help you out. Halfway nowhere. What you doing here? In these silence all by yourself. I know this feeling. We could fly together. Here goes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous wig that I have in. This wig is from Jessie's selection. I have tried their hair before and this will be my second collab. I'm going to leave that original video in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. But today's about this wig, so let's jump into all the juicy details about this unit.
My hopes are through the storm.
I have the 24-inch loose deep wave wig in 180% density. This curl pattern is absolutely stunning. So for this wig, I want to wear it in a deep side part. It is, I believe, a 4x4. Like I said, I want to wear it in a deep side part, so I'm shifting it over to the side. And right off the bat, I am noticing that it is 100% glueless. Most closure wigs are, but some are more so than others, and this is definitely like hands down a glueless wig. It doesn't need to be secured with anything, but we will still secure it. I guess we'll use the wig glue, the wig dealer spray for this. You got me in my feelings. Where's my comb? For some reason, every time I'm installing a wig, I misplace all of my combs. Like, I don't know, like I'll go through like 6 combs just in the initial install process. Okay, it has baby hairs already. Pre-cut baby hairs.
I know this feeling. We could fly together. Here go my hopes up through the stormy weather.
What do we want to do here? We did one there. We want to do it from here. Here. I think I just want to do like 2 baby hairs, so like that might be the look. That might be it, y'all. Okay, what's going on here? So, sorry, excuse my allergies. I usually film my hair reviews at night when my terrorist dogs are asleep. So if you hear them running around or a lot of stuff going on, that is why, because I normally don't film when they're like full energy, you know? And Miko, the youngest puppy, he's obsessed with me, first of all. Yeah, he's like hella obsessed with me, and if I'm away from him for like 2 minutes, he'll come like check on me. He'd be like, "What are you doing, Mom? Mom, what are you doing?" Every second. It's so annoying. He's like, "Can I live?" Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have forgot to turn my hot comb on. And I'm not gonna do anything to the curls. I think the curls are beautiful the way that they are. Do I want to do a side part? It's too late now. Do we want to do a side part? Can I still do a middle part like this? I don't know. Maybe a semi side part. Not too deep, because that was like looking real deep. Yeah, I think I want to do it here. Well, it's too late, so we're going with it. We are going with it. I don't know if I have the patience to wait for my hot comb to heat up, so I'm gonna do it the lazy way, which is also a way that works, but my goodness, the savages out there. My dogs are going crazy. I should probably pluck some of that hairline because it's getting a little fake. So maybe I will go in. Not that I can see it, just a little.
I'm trying to learn from all of these mistakes. I'm trying to lock my heart before I break. No matter all the twists and turns we make, still the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh, so look me in the eyes and say out loud. 'Cause life is short and we ain't got no cloud. Don't set me up 'cause you feeling too proud. It's the same thing.
And you guys, I'm being lazy with the plucking because I'm just focusing on the areas that are going to be seen. This side you're not going to see, so I'm not going to do all of that. I didn't initially want to cut this hair right here, but I think for what I'm going for, it needs to be cut. You know what? It doesn't have to be perfect. Let's go with that. Is that fine? Is that acceptable? It will have to do for today. Because you know what? I got so much other stuff I need to do. I haven't cooked dinner. Neglecting my husband. Can't do that. I'm kidding. He understands. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is, you know, clean up this part. It looks pretty good already. But can it be better? I think so. So I'm just gonna put some foundation, not foundation, some powder. Ooh, she's pretty, you guys. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is come back once this wig is fully dried. I just put the slightest bit of mousse on there, but I'm gonna come back when that's all dry and then we're gonna do the review, okay? But this is how she's looking right now. Beautiful, beautiful. The curls are definitely given everything they need to give. That's so silly. No, I'm not saying that. They give it everything they need to give. Who said that? So stupid. And this is a very long 24 inches, you guys. You guys know how tall I am, and as you guys can see, it is literally past my boobies, almost to my booty. So yes, I am here for it. This is what the 180% density is looking like on me. This is the back. It is very full, very bouncy. Now, all I did to this unit for styling was very simple. I put it on. I did bleach my knots. First of all, yeah, let's rewind. So I did bleach my knots on the unit prior to installing it. So after I did that, I let the wig air dry naturally. So when you saw the curls, this is the natural way the hair dries. This is no product in it besides some mousse just to redefine the areas where I was kind of combing through. But when you let this wig dry naturally, the curls is absolutely stunning, and you don't actually need any products in the hair to make it look this way. I just put a bit of mousse on the top, which I kind of regret doing because it kind of did leave it feeling a bit hard. But if you comb through it, it should take away that crunchy feeling that mousse leaves. That's why I don't usually like to use mousse on my wigs when I'm styling them. But the hair itself is actually amazing quality. You guys know I really like the quality of their units. It is beautiful. It is a really dark black wig, so I'm here for it. The color is just absolutely stunning. It is showing up really dark also in real life. I can see that there are some brown tones to it when I hold it up to the light. It is pretty dark, but it is brown, but it's very dark, borderline just black. I can't get over how full it is. It's actually perfect. It feels so soft. It's very comfortable, and you guys know I love me some closure wigs because it's just so time consuming to apply the frontals. And when I'm wearing wigs like on a regular basis, like when I'm not filming and that sort of thing, I tend to go to the wigs that are like quick and, you know, easy to put on. So for me, it's usually like a closure wig. So this is definitely something that I'm gonna reach for time and time again because it is a closure, and also the wig is just gorgeous. I'm not feeling any tracks or anything as I'm running my hands through it, but at the same time, the tracks are not very big or thick. So they are just thin tracks but close together. So it does give the overall like feeling of like just very smooth and very fitting, but not leaving your head like feeling like it's too much hair or you have a wig on. It's looking natural. It's giving real life. It's giving HD. It's definitely up there for sure. I am loving it. And I love how long the length is. If you have any questions for me, guys, leave it in the comments section. I always answer my comments. Hey Miko, you want to say hi? Whoa, settle down, boy. Okay, don't kiss me. I don't want any kisses. I don't want any kisses. I don't want any kisses. No kisses. No. I'm just kidding. He's so excited. He's so excited. Say Miko, say I'm almost 1 year old now. In like 2 months, he'll be 1 year old. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Until next time. Bye. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're stuck in my hair. Story of my life.